Hi, and welcome to YouTestMe GetCertified. This video explains creation process of hotspot question type. Any question can be created both in test creation process and through question pools. Therefore, you may navigate to the question pools in the tests, decide whether you want to create a question for an existing question pool or create a new one, and simply click on this button to choose a question type. Or enter the test creation wizard, go through all test wizard steps, and in fourth step, choose Add Questions manually. Hotspot questions require test takers to identify one or more spots on an image as a correct answer. For example, to mark a place on a map. There are two scoring methods of this question type. First, you can define correct and incorrect answers, which in this case means selecting the predefined spot on an image. Here you can define points and penalty points. An instruction or a question should be written here. Upload the picture and select drawing shape to define hotspots. You can choose between circle or rectangle. Now, press and drag the mouse pointer to create a circle over the correct answer. You can edit text, preview it, or add formulas. Here you can choose the question difficulty level. A question can be labeled as easy, medium, or hard. This kind of labeling is useful because it helps prepare a created question for later generating options. Further, it is possible to organize multiple questions into a group, add short description and multimedia that will be displayed with each question within the group. Groups can represent different areas of knowledge and themes. Moreover, you can create versions of this question in different languages. Just click on the Add Translation, choose a language from the drop-down list, and type the question text in the selected language. If you choose the manual grading option, each question should be graded manually by the test manager or instructor after a test is finished. Therefore, points and penalty points can be defined only on a question level. When finished, click on this button to add this question to the test. The next step is the overview of questions added. Here you can also edit or delete questions. If you select the option to limit the time per question in the second step of Test Wizard, you will have a possibility to define time limit in seconds, minutes, or hours. In the settings for the test as a whole, you have several more possibilities that affect hotspot question settings as well. You can require answering all questions, enable so-called I don't know answer so candidates can avoid negative points, and choose to show question metadata to candidate. It refers to difficulty level, points, and penalty points of question. Let's now log in as a student to present candidates' perspective of hotspot questions and its configurations in the test. In the top right corner, we can see a countdown timer for this question, a text for the question group, which will be displayed for every question within this group, a question metadata, and a question. And here is the option to skip answering question to avoid negative points. A candidate is supposed to select the spot on a picture that represents the correct answer. It is always possible to undo spot selection and choose spot again. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.